Building your digital presence online is important, but the platforms that help you build it usually lock the most important features behind a paywall. So that started me on a quest to find the best digital business card to host my information with the most offerings for free. And the one that I landed on was Wave. Here's why. Wave is a digital business card, but it does a lot more than that to keep you connected. Very simply put, you sign up to create your free profile, where you instantly get access to a variety of methods to share your profile. You exchange contact details, Wave stores your contacts and helps you stay connected, and it's backed by analytics to see how your leads engage. Everything I just explained happens for free without needing to step up to a paid plan. When you're building your profile, you have a lot of flexibility over how it looks. And where other platforms make you pay to add content to your page, Wave offers the most advanced free features, like adding your profile photo and details, adding rich media options like embedded video right into your profile, and adding contact exchange forms so you can exchange details and remember everyone that you meet. All of this can be set up and ready to start sharing in under 2 minutes without needing to add payment details or do any sort of onboarding. So once your profile is set up, how do you share it? Well, as soon as you sign up, you can share your profile with your Wave QR code directly through the browser or the dedicated app, or you can add to Apple or Google Wallet for quick access on the go. When a lead scans your QR code, on an iPhone they'll get an app clip that looks professional and personal to your profile. When they hit view, they're instantly brought to your profile where they can exchange details. On an Android phone, your lead can scan to be brought instantly to your profile to connect. Wave also offers a variety of additional ways to share, including by email and SMS sharing, a personal email signature, and even an offline QR code that sends your contact card for use when your lead doesn't have a network connection. You can optionally get an NFC card that can be tapped or scanned as well. And for instances where you want to collect physical business cards, Wave gives you 10 free paper and badge scans to automatically collect and store your leads using the AI scanner. Leads are automatically stored within the Contacts tab built into Wave, and you get unlimited contact storage included for free. You can add notes to each contact, and you can set a tag to keep your contacts organized. Leads can be saved as a contact on your phone or exported to CSV in bulk. You can also keep up with how your profile is performing with analytics. You can filter by date to see how many page views and clicks you got, what your CTR is, and how many contacts you've collected. See how many views you got per day, and where those views actually came from. This helps you create a page that converts leads easily. Everything I've talked about here is included for free with Wave, but Wave also gives you the option to upgrade if you want to. If you jump up to Pro, you unlock the ability to brand your QR code when sharing, and the logo at the bottom of your profile. When creating your profile, you get customization including the layout, background, color, and text to make a page that feels completely unique and custom to your brand. You get unlimited use of the business card scanner to collect physical cards and event badges. You also get CRM Sync to automatically connect your leads to your CRM of choice. Pro gives flexibility to expand as your needs grow. And speaking of growing, there's also a Teams plan that gives you everything that I just talked about, plus the ability to easily onboard additional team members and design templates to make profile changes at a mass scale. It gives you the tools to easily manage and evaluate your team's performance as your team scales up. And enterprise pricing is best for larger teams, which includes volume pricing and more advanced security and support for your team. Overall, Wave is a platform that lets you easily exchange contact details and remember everyone you meet. It lets you get set up quickly, lets you build a strong profile for free, and store all of your contacts. It gives flexible options like branding, additional customization, and AI features with paid plans as you need them, and even supports you as your team grows to multiple users. With Wave, you get the easiest way to create and share your digital business card.